Lennis Glover. Sure said you want it. Don't be I know too different.
Good morning, good morning. Test the mic 1 2. Another brand new week. Already start looking at the market. How was your weekend? Hmm. That was Friday. Unfortunately, the weather was so bad to the extent that we couldn't film live. The network was giving me red from my device, so I know definitely if I come online. So I decided to stay away and trade on my own. Sorry. And that's the reason why we all learn, so that we can be independent on our Thursday news. Also, we'll talk about Thursday news. We'll talk about Friday. Today is going to be a packed day, so we look forward to that. Looks like I am alone here. So if you know you are with me, just type in the comment section hello, or just type hi, Lennis. It's a wonderful Monday morning. It's a beautiful Monday. Hi, Wisdom. Hi, thank you, thank you, thank you. Wisdom, is just the two of us here at the moment, gracing the occasion, and the rest are going to join. So let's take the opportunity to learn and share our ideas. So what exactly are we looking at to? The last time we communicated on the chat was on Thursday, which we were expecting the news, and you know, we're looking at pound news, which was around 11, and this is exactly what happened. So I just said that I wasn't looking at for a good news for pound. But actually, the pound, the UK economy added 50 basis points to their interest rates. Normally, it's supposed to be 25 basis points. Normally, it's supposed to be 25 basis points. They added 50 basis points to there. So we have this whipsaw. Okay. So market moved to the up for the first time, and then later moved down. and then also move down for a while, and then finally, move up. So that's quite understandable. And we had the same range on Friday. So if you can remember, if this range on Friday was marked, you realize that we marked this range on Thursday, and the market respected this range on Friday, and then went up and then came down, finally closed at the top. And then today, Monday, what exactly are we looking at? What exactly are we looking at? Are we looking at a downtrend? I had an opportunity already in the market because there are a couple of things I was looking at, and then all the conditions were met, so I quickly jumped into the market, expecting that. But sometimes you jump into the market, then you realize that there are some unseen areas that you have seen now, and you want to safeguard yourself by protecting yourself, in those areas. So hopefully to break this level downward, hopefully I also have my stop loss, there about how to call it, 4 pips. Okay, and currently I'm moving between 9 and 10 pips, thereabouts. So I'm looking to drive it all the way down to 100 pips, 90 to 100 pips, in that cool, relaxed manner for the day. So I'm also expecting a choppiness, but if we look at the market, what exactly are we expecting? What exactly are we expecting for the coming week? And so doing that will determine the way we approach the market in a very decent way. So I believe that the coming week will be, pretty cool. Quite no news for this week, or no news for today. No red news actually on the radar. So we just taking it easy on that note. Looks like some carrying some tiredness over from the weekend. A lot of movement. Looks like today too, my internet is switching in between them. It's switching. I have 3 internet service providers, and it's showing red, yellow. It's supposed to be going constantly. I don't know why. I need to check the weather outside since I came up in indoors. So check the weather outside and look at it. Normally, if you're using it on your device, like browsing the internet, it doesn't use constant streaming. You don't see it, but when you're using to stream, you will definitely understand what I'm talking about. Where at your end, if it's not constant, you sort of going to have blareness, so you will not be able to see some of the charts that are shown on your. We pray for a good weather today. We pray that the internet gets constant for us to take advantage of what we've got today. looking for opportunity to enter the markets again. But then, as I said, normally I will look at one trade at a time. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. I will look at it. Welcome, Justicia. Good morning, good morning. Yeah. Salam, good morning. Yes. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Please, if you've not liked or subscribed, do because I've been on for a while, and it looks like once you've not subscribed or hit the notification button, you'll probably be waiting for the link, and I don't think that will be something that we can always continue, because at a point I have to stop and get the admin lady to send the link. So I'll kindly encourage you to click on the like button, and that should be fine. Click on the subscribe and the notification button, so once I come on live, you definitely will get it. Let's check. Now, some of you sometimes, when we draw some lines, you did ask some few things. The basis point of that is that the major areas of the market cannot change. It's undoubtedly it's a fact that those places cannot change, those levels cannot change. If you look at exactly what happened, just that we were not live on YouTube, but then you could see that we drew this line some time back. Okay, so the zone area we drew it some time back. Okay, and these were areas that we're looking at markets have been too high before. And then also we also have this line, okay, and then after market moved up to a point, this level, we now got this level involved, and then also maintain this line, and then you see how market is actually respecting the zone area, and then market have now respected this area. Okay, so basically those lines, so sometimes when we put certain zone lines, don't be so much in a hurry to take them off. So I think DJ wants to see our patience. Dr. Honam, I hope you're talking that DJ wants to see our patience to the downside, isn't it? Yeah. because currently with the pound yen, I'm not looking at any other thing than to, what I'm really seeing as a struggle for pound yen is this area where there's a lot of, but I'm pretty much trying, if this candle does not break this level, I probably will close my trade on the break even and leave the market for a while. So it means that if it doesn't break this area, what I'm going to look out for is I'm going to look out for something above here, and then we can have a retracement to the downside, a heavy retracement to the downside this way. So we might have something like this. Okay, we might have something like this. But also there's sort of something that I'm doubting if we could have that. I'm doubting, for example, there's a lot of movement in the pound yen pound economy, because we just had 2 days that we have the interest rate, and then you don't expect market to, be as dull as it is. You think market will be a vibrant, in the economy, market will really be, because 2 basis points is huge. It's so huge. So it would just be normal to have a rally to the upside. It would just be normal to have a rally to the upside. If not, I don't know what exactly should be expected. But just as I said, I saw an initial entry into the market and on. So currently 10 pips and counting. It's actually testing my patience because it's been on that side for a while. I've been on my side for a while. So good morning, good morning. I'm good. Gold. Okay, so let's look at gold. Now, I think that I made a comment on gold. I don't. Let me tell you. I probably want to stay away from gold today. I don't know why. Just the feeling I'm having. Yeah. Yeah, I probably want to stay away from gold today. Let me look at those different. Almost 100 pips. Let's see. So currently, let me look at the 30-minute and probably look at what the 30-minute just a minute. Currently, we are just a few minutes into the 10 o'clock candle, and this is for the 10 o'clock. Just communicating. So, let me do a quick for analysis behind the scene, and I'll go back to you. Tiredness from the weekend is what it is. So my biggest advice is that don't be so much moved by gold trust to the upside, because we are just 8 minutes into the 1 hour candle, and it is shooting up. So basically we want to look at this level here, because this level here and that level here, if it's able to break it, we're targeting that level, and we should be able to get here easily in that stretch. So just take it easy, and then let's look at it one step at a time. So we have this move in the market. Also, we have the same area projected also. So you probably want to get clarity before you jump into the market. Right, so if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. Apart from the analysis that you all answered, just drop any question. Now definitely find an answer that might fit your understanding, and then when it will feel helping out. Pound yen, pound yen. No, sometimes when you look at my chart and you look at my analysis, what I advise is that just add your tools that you use because you are familiar with them, you've been using them for a while, but you sort of like try to mark them with how to call it with the zones, with entry point, and see what your chart is actually communicating to you, so that at least whilst I'm not around, you will do. When you are here, kindly click on the like button. That will do us very good. So don't just pass by, just pass by and show some love. Show some love, show some love. Oh, born a trader, I think that I have to send you $10 soon. You just made me laugh today. I have never laughed today. You just made me laugh. Just reading what you just put in there. Greetings, Marcus God. It's not true. You just made me laugh. Listen, oh goodness. Sometimes some people just light up your day, isn't it? They just make your day. Wow, you just smile. You just smile. You're also you're a born trader. Man, you're a born trader. Don't worry. A born trader. So normally I keep repeating myself, over and over. Mind you that I'm not used to talking all the time. Like, so when I'm quiet, it doesn't mean I'm not here, or it doesn't mean that nothing is going on. Just that my default self is always quiet, looking at things and admiring things. So basically, but then looking at things also, as I said, if we have a little understanding to the market, we need to have patience to our entry trades. So definitely looking cool. I'm looking, so looking at markets. So basically, let's take it easy. Let's have patience. Patience is a key. Be calm and trade. Also be smart. So I wish the candle will. So I have another 15 more minutes to decide. But if I go on to the 15 minutes, looking at the, so actually it has been broken, but then want a continuation to fill this side. So that's another 18 points. Then so definitely I'm looking forward to that. Looking forward to that move. Okay. Because I've already given the analysis on the pound here. So repeating myself over and over. I'm already in there, so what do you think? I think we're starting Monday on a good note. So let's see how the next 10 minutes ends. So we're currently waiting to see how the 30-minute candle will end. So, but sometimes when you need to follow your intuition. So sometimes I can look at a currency pair and then decide to just leave one out and then concentrate on one. So and it's sort of have been helping me because I listen to my intuition a lot. So it depends. If I said I'm not going to trade this currency and I do listen to myself, it does well. It does well for me. Hey, what is happening in Russia? What's happening in Russia? Anybody with Russia information? What's happening? And what is happening in GH? It looks like for the few days now I've not been in touch with what is happening in GH. What is happening in GH? Another question I would like to ask is that would we prefer to do New York session or London session? New York session start from 12:30, so it means that by 12 we should be streaming, or we should do the London session, which normally starts from London session. Usually we start from London session, start from 9 a.m. GMT, and I probably do some 2 hours and finish at 11 GMT. Or it's when let's do it such a way that once I see an opportunity, I come live and I just talk about the opportunity, and then we'll jump into it, and then we try to make money. Listen, making your own points known, sharing your own opinion, it never hurts. You are here because you feel like you want to see what is going on. So once you are here, you want to see what is going on. How best would you want to see, but to say something to encourage and actually show exactly what you want to see. In that regard. So if you are here and you want to see something good, why wouldn't you say something? This is not a radio station, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a radio station. This is Trading with Lennis. So please talk to me. Put a message. I need some vibe this morning. I've been busy over the weekend, and it looks like pretty much need some rest Monday. But the question is, can I afford to take a rest on Monday? No. So just kindly share your opinion. It doesn't hurt. Also, it doesn't hurt to click the like button. It doesn't hurt. It just show you some love. Whether you know me in person or not, just show some love. Show some love. Show some love. Show some love by clicking the like button. If you already clicked the like button, really much respect to you. Thanks so much for showing some love. It is what the YouTube algorithm likes. So if you click that is going to tell the YouTube algorithm that hey, people are there. They are. It's not just quiet. It's people are just participating. So just click the like button for the algorithm to know that you are there, you are listening, and you are actively participating. That's what I want to look at. Show some love, show some love. Okay, I think landing session is okay because it is energize you for the day. Okay, I get your point. Yeah. Hmm. 2 minutes more for the 30 minutes candle to close. We have gold also approaching that very crucial area that we were looking at earlier on. So it means that but once I'm in the pound yen trade, I will not be getting into a gold trade. No, I will not be getting into a gold. I think we have an uptrust, a pullback, and then the contribution, and up. Let's break it down a little bit here. So this is a solid growth. There's a bit of choppiness. That choppiness must be cleared. This choppiness here must be cleared. This choppiness must be cleared. Here, that's where the problem is. for gold. This choppiness market. Once this choppiness is left, I think there's a free traffic to the top, which is almost about 40 pips. Initially, this was what I was looking at. A transfer downside with the choppiness and then head downwards. But I've actually revisited my look at the market because sometimes you should have a plan and then trade a plan. You should have your plan well defined. That should be able to give you, an edge over the market. So, for example, where I'm expecting, so I don't just jump into the market by saying that this is what I'm looking at, but where I'm expecting market to go or the way to behave it's not just a move. Let me see what move was that. So then it's let's say 13 pip move. So I'm not just going to be based on 30 pip move and get trapped. Okay, so that's why I was quiet on gold. I was quiet on gold because you rely on 30 pips, 13 pips, and you get trapped. What was the stop loss bit? Maybe 20, maybe 30. So currently I'm avoiding that trap that is current here. I'm avoiding that trap. I want that trap. So our 30-minute candle is in. So we have a new 30-minute candle opening. Let's see that momentum so that we will not get trapped in the market for any reason, But I love my pound yen to to dive down more. Just dive down. At least I'm looking for 100 pips. In between that, any amount that I get, I've already got breaking even. I'm going to now start trailing stops to secure some profits. And I'm just going to relax. Okay? Just going to relax and chill. It's been at my end. It's been a dull Monday to me. Energy is not there. The energy is not there. I don't know why. Energy is not there. But hey, yeah, the reason where every morning share my setup. Yeah, you get to ask no questions, and I get to have my PhD followers who definitely understand everything that I say, every cough. You don't have much questions to ask, so I get relaxed. I don't think I'll be paid at the radio station because I'm quite bad talking on my own. I travel questions. I travel sharing ideas. But, also, you should know that none of us is the market, so everything we are sharing over here is just experience based. Okay, things that we've seen before and things that we already know it might happen. So please don't take everything we say as the holy grail of the market, because none of us is the market. The market is the market. Okay, it is what it is. If we make good profit, it is what it is. If we lose small, just accept it that we are not the market. Definitely we should be looking at the market from experience-based, experiential knowledge, sharing the skill and answering questions to the best of our experience. Okay. So basically just keep that in. So, Dr. Hoda, we say married to GJ, isn't it? Is it you or me? Bunch said I think gold will be for a sell because it is in the downtrend and has a resistance trend line. I don't know how you draw your resistance trend line on gold because I've looked for it. I've not been able to get a very good trend line setup. Maybe my trend line setup is oh, okay, you say it's for a sell. So so if pick this, touching this two, that's where you can touching this two here. That's a way lot of distance, isn't it? So sometimes I look at trend lines drawing, pretty much must be a little bit precise, maybe, so for example, if I'm drawing this way, that's quite a distance, isn't it? If I'm drawing it this way, where, no, we can't draw a trend line like this. No, you cannot draw a trend line like this. Okay, let's say previously you draw a trend line like this. And then once this comes in, your trend line has to change. It has to change. Okay. And then if you pick a trend line like this, oh goodness. Listen, I don't think I've got that. Yeah, I probably will not will not put anything over there. No, that's my opinion. So please don't take it personal. We all telling exactly what we're looking at, and I'm still going to look at yourself. As I said, I might look at gold maybe in a different time, but for now, gold is still bridging the area at which we're looking at. So the yellow area that we've gold have actually bridged that area. Okay, gold have actually bridged that area beautifully, but then still. You guys knows when I'm focused on one currency pair or one asset, I just try to leave the other. Not because the other will not move, but we are all learning. Yeah. So where some people place 4 trades at a go, 3 trades at a go, but they don't have the spirit. We try to help everybody to calm down, to cool down, in terms of looking at the market and then rushing to click a buy or rushing to click a sell. We're taking it easy on not something like that. Not easy. So if you're here and you've already jumped into gold for a sell or you go for a buy on TJ, you are in trouble. And mind, when Lennis says you are in trouble, you are in trouble. Ask them. I don't easily say you are in trouble. And when I do say you are in trouble, indeed you are in trouble. Come on, GJ, pound, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, I think I agree to that. If you are not here, you are missing a lot. Yeah. Agree. Yeah. No, I've been really thinking nowadays that probably I should take a month or 2 months off trading. Not trading personally, but take 2 months off. You know, talking to 2 months off from from clients, from everybody, and come back after 2 months. Big and heavy, big and heavy. I don't know what's happening. Do we still have people around here? We are in trade. Do we have people? If you're here and you've not clicked on the like button, come on, share some love. Share some love. Quarter two, share some love. The more you share some love, we push the market down. If you are here, just say hi. Hi, everybody. Hi, we're going to the downside. Hi, we're going down. Hi, we're moving down. Hi to everybody. So let me know how many people are actually trading pound yen with me. Just put it in the comment section. If you're trading pound yen with me, just put it in the comment section. I'm not going to send you a bill. Just put it in the comment section. Let's see exactly what. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate your openness. Really appreciate that. At least it tells me that at least. Oh, come on. I dare you to try this thing. I dare anyone to try it. It's not comfortable, you know. Let's assume I'm trading alone and I'm quiet. You know, there's no expectation on myself. There's no pressure. I don't do any analysis. I don't do any talking. I just place a trade and I go and chart and come back and close my trade. You know. But here I am with wonderful people and nobody is talking back to me. Nobody's, you know, that's pressing. Nobody wants to answer. You know. Yeah, I'm going to give you, sorry for those who, you know, those who chat me up, those who post comments in the comment section. But those who don't do anything, I'm going to give you a silent sweet treatment. So if you don't want me to give you a silent sweet treatment, just start talking in the comment. Just put something in the comment section. And I'm just going to, you know, so I don't add you up to my silent treatment in victims. Yeah. Now, all those who jump into gold, have you seen exactly what is happening over here? So if you jump into it, you know, see what exactly is happening over here. Okay. Somehow it's just by experience. It's just by experience. Let's see how this 30 minutes goes. Then we should have a pull to the upside. Okay, we'll pull to the upside. And then also I'm expecting my expectation because I'm looking for 100 pips. Looking for 100 pips. 100 pips. So someone asks why do you look for long pips? And then if your analysis are spot on, you know, and you relax and you have your break-even trade, you have your stop loss set, what else do? You are not the market. You just allow market to flow your direction, and then you just watch. And if you watch, you are very uncomfortable, you take your money and run. Yes. Okay, you take your money and run. I'm not taking my money, I'm not running anywhere because I've broken even worst case scenario, I've locked in 25 pips. You just watch. Oh, George. Too late to the game. Okay. You watching, keep monitoring. We going. I don't know what else you expect. I don't know what else you expect. I expected a buy for how do you call it? Pound yen. I don't know. I don't know. Hey, but thanks for being around. You know, but why not in position? Maybe. I don't know. All right, so we have 10 more minutes, 9 more minutes for the close of the 1 hour candle. So this is what we're going to have. So don't say I did not tell you. Now, 5 minutes more to the close of the candle, especially GJ, we're going to have a pullback, and that pullback will be drastic. And then the next, we're going to have the next 1 hour or the next 30 minutes, we're going to have the choppiness, but we might have a momentum. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. So we're building momentum on that aspect. Now, just because I'm saying it, I have seen it before. I have seen this trade before. I have seen this move before. So, you know, don't, if you ask me to how would the market go, listen, if normally I'm looking at, if you have not entered the market, then wait till we hit our zones. When we hit our zones, you could be looking for a buy. Okay, if you're looking for a buy, once we hit our zones, I don't think I'll be looking at the market. So I've called the market to come. I've really called the market to move. Okay, I have called the market to move. I've really called the market. Wow. I'm left with 40 pips, then I'm done. I'm done with 40 pips and I'm done. So I'm just going to move my stop, my break even to another 10 pips in addition to 35 pips. I think I need to give a shout out to all those who have, all those who have traded, all those who have traded, all those, they'll give a shout out. So all those who actually entered with me, this is your hey. That's for all those who actually, you know, took it out with me. I think I need to give you another one. Soon I have to give you another one. Someone said, yeah. Someone said, I'm out. Don't get panicked, you know. Definitely there's going to be a pullback, so I have a split. Okay, I have a split. Oh, I have a split. Hey, another one for, I think I'll give it to Cliff Forest. I don't know how to pronounce your KLIFPA. Is it Cliff? Whatever. Yeah. So let's give it up to Clifford. Clifford, I'll fish you. Oh, one of my, my favorite intermediate guy that. Oh, he disappeared a while and I also disappeared a while and then. Clifford, I would definitely give you a call. Please don't expect a call after. Let's make it tomorrow. I'll give you a call. Okay. I'm stepping out after closing the trade, and then when I'm back. Mama, I'm happy for you. I'm happy that at least I'm happy you are here with me. Happy you are here with me. Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah, listen. Yeah. What up? Be careful. Yeah. The day we see the bucket proper, proper. Uh, we will see the bucket proper. Ah. But we're taking it a day at a time. We're taking it one step. We're sort of like we'll relax. Okay. So, please let's do our best. As I said, not the market, but you know, but I've seen it before. So let's now we just take advantage of that. Okay. So if you are still in the market, if you're not in the market, so we have 3 more minutes for that. So there's a likelihood there will be a pullback, and then so there's a likelihood. So yeah. So there's a likelihood there will be a pullback. I'm really stating that there's the likelihood there will be a serious pullback, and then we have a choppiness, and then we close the test. So I'm using the 30 minutes, 30 minutes to decide that. So don't be worried if another 30 minutes comes and it is green, and then the next one comes and it's a red continuation to the downside. So we have our plans in place, okay? And then also keep your lot size, keep your lot size. And then by now you should have a default lot size. You can have a scaling down lot size. We've talked about that, the scaling down lot size as well. Let's see how it goes. We're ending the day on a very good note. I'm actually securing 50 pips out of what I've gotten, because I don't know how dangerously the pullback is going to be. I'm not the market, but I'm expecting a pullback, so I'm just preparing for it. So if it doesn't knock me on 50 pips, definitely then I'm going to scale in again. I'm going to add another. No, this for the ears for the intermediate people only, not for anybody else. Or if you are new to trading and you are not profitable, I'm not saying go and add, because you definitely have to understand the scaling in and scaling out, okay? And you don't just say, let us say, okay, I'm going to add. It is what it is. It is what it is. So don't say, let us say that I'm going to add it. So I'm going to add another trade. Going to add another trade. So today there's no much news. I don't know. I don't know what is happening in Russia and what is happening in Ghana as well. It looks like Ghana is a new. Hey, no, Ghana is not a new Russia. But hey, it is 11. It is 11. Looking at the behavior of the candlestick. I think there's going to be a thrust to the downside, so don't panic. Just the way it started, I think that's still going to. So let's see how the 15-minute candle. So you want the 15-minute candle is going to have this. Okay, so we see how the 15 minutes candle waked up. So 7 minutes into 15 minutes, if we can get to half of this, and then the 15 minutes happen to close down, then definitely we will go down. Tighten our seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to land and take off another time. We are about to land and take off another time. It has been a wonderful day with you, all those who stuck with me, and definitely watching everybody's comment. You never know, one day I don't want to have an influence by saying that I'm going to send you some gift, but definitely your gift is with me. I would definitely surprise you. Having a good time with you, and you have a lovely day. Let's give it up to everybody that beautiful. Enjoy the rest of the day. Don't increase your lot size. Save the peps, save it for another day. Listen, without the market, you're still existing, so take it easy.